Kincaid Auction Realty is offering this 2001 GMC dump truck in an online auction along with boats, parts, golf carts, and salvaged marine items ending on April 13th. It's located at the Custom Canvas and Marine Boat Yard on US 19 just north of Homosassa. You can inspect it and all of the other auction items on April 12th at noon until 4 p.m. This great running truck features a steel dump bed body, a Caterpillar diesel engine with only 300,000 miles on it. The truck runs great and drives great, and the dump works as shown in the video. Go to www.kincaid.com to get all of the details on bidding and seeing the rest of the catalog.